how to see all your Reels history on Facebook application. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to see all your Reels history on Facebook application. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and then type in Facebook. So check if it's updated. If you see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Facebook application is updated. Now we can go to the application directly. So here on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. You click on that. And then beside the search icon, the settings icon here, click on that. Scroll on the preferences area and tap on your time on Facebook. So click on that. And then here you'll see your time. Click see time and then go to the activity log. See activity log. And then here scroll all the way down till you see the groups, events, and reels. Click on that. And then basically all your reels or all the reels that you have seen will be there. So basically that is how you see all your reels history on Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.